Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is abstraction. 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 Abstraction is a noun that refers to the process of simplifying complex ideas, concepts, or objects by focusing on essential characteristics while omitting unnecessary details. It is also used to describe the result of this process, often represented in art, mathematics, philosophy, and other fields. Here are some examples. Example number 1. In art, abstraction allows artists to convey emotions and ideas by reducing objects to their essential forms, as seen in Picasso's Guernica. Why abstraction is used in example number 1. Abstraction is used to describe the artistic technique of simplifying objects to convey emotions and ideas. Example number 2. In philosophy, abstraction is often used to explore universal concepts and principles by removing specific details. Why abstraction is used in example number 2. This example shows that abstraction is employed in philosophy to discuss the process of focusing on universal concepts by omitting specific details. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.